This bear is basically a weighted blanket with a face. Jellycat Bartholomew bear. He is 14 inches. He's a classic cozy teddy bear vibe, but upgraded with a kind of softness that makes kids and teens weirdly loyal to it. My teens love these Jellycats, just love them. Big enough to actually hug, not just cute on a shelf, super soft with that squishy, chubby little tummy feel. He sits up on his own, which is really nice on a bed or a desk. Sweet details like the little beaded eyes. I need to get his bangs out of here. And also this suede nose, just so adorable. He's a great comfort item for teens, especially during bedtime or stressful days. Would I buy it again? Absolutely. My kiddo, they love Jellycat. This is a safe win-win gift. If you want one plush that feels so special and becomes the always in the room buddy, this is him. He is so cute. If the goal is comfort and the cuddle factor, this one delivers. Enjoy.